This is doing. This is for the person AG. Jomi. This for no the water or the EP will not penetrate. Jumisa. Create because there are two. Jumisa. Because here is her husband 103 years old. This is a pot I arranged because they want it like this. They want it like this. So I will make unko. This is for old person. After this one. This one. This one. And then this one. I make it after this one. Oui. So finish na. Après. Okay. So finish na. For the old man and woman. Tumisa. For they will not be cold. After Jumisa. Like this. Like this. This one, this para when they cover their head, this one will just on their head, this one for their body and feet, this one for the body and feet. Okay. This one for the cover of their head. This is for old man and woman that cannot occupy their self. Okay, finish. Just we finish. I am finished. This one. Okay. Merci beaucoup. Thank you for watching.